In this episode of the 5 Best Pro Wheel cover the top 5 best leather repair kit that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Leather Restore Leather Color Repair. Value for money is the ultimate aim of every person out there. You want the best you can, or better, for the bucks you pay. In terms of automotive leather repair kits, Leather Restore Leather Color Repair would be your best bet for getting a value for money. Launched quite time ago, Leather Restore Leather Color Repair was the best sold product, and even today, the sales numbers speak. Having such amazing features, all this is bundled up at a cost, which may seem high for few, but is actually very good if you compare its features. Leather Color Restoration, professional products for professional results. Repairs, recolors, and restores leather and vinyl goods, furniture, couch, car seats, jacket, sports gear, apparel, automotive upholstery, shoes, boots, saddlery, tack, bags, belts, sofa, recliner, equestrian gear and more. Easy to use, apply a thin layer and allow to air dry. Best of all, formula air dries fast and no heat is needed. Repair colors can be mixed together to achieve desired shades and tints. Suitable for all types of leather. Made in USA. At number 4. LeatherNu Leather Color Restoration and Repair Kit. If you are the sort of a person who doesn't compromise on quality and is ready to shell a little extra, then LeatherNu Leather Color Restoration and Repair Kit is your choice. They say you either buy a quality product once or buy cheap products every day, the cost comes to same. The new LeatherNu Leather Color Restoration and Repair Kit comes with best price. It is industry's most trusted, most preferred and quality automotive leather repair kits, and it considered as gold standard by many users as well as non-users. If you are looking for a long-time investment with a quality automotive leather repair kits, then don't look beyond LeatherNu Leather Color Restoration and Repair Kit. The product is featured, highlighted and appreciated in reviews of automotive leather repair kits in 2020, and this has been backed by many users. The original manufacturer used the same type of leather dye found in LeatherNu. Please note that LeatherNu cannot make repairs to rips, cuts, etc. on vertical surfaces. The repair compound included in the product is a liquid product, and must be used on a flat and level surface. Otherwise, it will drain away under gravity and not have a chance to dry and do its job. LeatherNu includes 7 different colors of dye that you blend together to match your particular need. At number 3. Leather Repair Kits for Couches. Our Leather Repair Balm is a miraculous agent that contains ingredients meant to bring out your leather items' shine and elegance. This leather color restorer lets you bring back your leather items' color, sheen, softness, and brand new shape. This Wonder Balm contains premium and carefully studied components, which are all very friendly for any leather surface. No need to call for a leather expert to achieve professional and high-quality results. Our Leather Balm Refinishing Kit can give you the same output without spending too much. Taking care of leather is challenging, especially when for vulnerable items placed in areas prone to wear. Your new motorcycle and car seats, saddles, baseball gloves, and boots tend to look older and damaged because of your daily use and abuse. Fortivo's Leather Balm for furniture and leather items contain natural oils to make your leather couches, upholstery, and accessories look supple and shiny while. At number 2. Coconix Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit. Coconix Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit is a veteran in the market and has been here for a long time. It offers something of a unique feature which no other competitor offers. While the market is running after Leather Restore Leather Color Repair, LeatherNu Leather Color Restoration and Repair Kit, Furniture Clinic Leather Re-Coloring Balm, Bordeaux, Coconix Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit has always had loyal customers for that particular feature, and this has safeguarded its market share, and they have successfully been able to keep their longtime users happy. Go for Coconix Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit if you want to try out something of a fusion of new and classic. Fun and interesting fact about automotive leather repair kits is that even though Coconix leather and vinyl repair kit is a veteran, the users are mostly younger generation. You can say fashion makes a turn after a century or so and things repeat. Finally at number 1. Fortivo leather and vinyl repair kit. Fortivo leather and vinyl repair kit is a relatively new and late entrant in the market but surprisingly has surpassed beyond Strongman Tools' 28-piece professional leather and vinyl repair kit which have been in market longer than anyone. Fortivo leather and vinyl repair kit brings you the best of the quality in the lowest possible cost. The best feature of Fortivo leather and vinyl repair kit is what has kept in the market. It certainly makes appearance in reviews of automotive leather repair kits in 2020 owing to its price penetration strategy in the market. If you own a automotive leather repair kits and it could be any of the high-value automotive leather repair kits, chances are that would be much costlier than Fortivo leather and vinyl repair kit. Fortivo leather and vinyl repair kit will have more than 50% of all its features. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.